Oh, hello there. Billions are spent on Halloween costumes each year, but why? The scariest part of Halloween shouldn't be how much you spend on a costume. It's our chance to try on a different skin, perhaps one that's a bit more bougie. Bonjour and welcome to Spooky Budget, where we'll usher in All Hallows Eve with elegance for less. Your costume says a lot about you, and even more about who you want to be. Have my horse brought around the front of the castle immediately. Today, we want to be expensive. The key? Come closer. A bougie costume is merely one with a bougie story, but you don't have to spend to dazzle. Why be a ghost when you could be a spirit of a rich woman? Her beauty is eternal. You could spend upwards of $40 to look like a sultry anthropomorphic animal, or you could thrift. A thrifted garment carries the souls of its past owners. Today, we channel Patricia, who lived a full life, but her spirit still roams this plane looking for her long-lost lover. What year is it? Patricia's garments used to be costly, but her style has long since passed. And fear not, this timeless ensemble can make any day of the year a fright. A birthday, a ball, a baptism, even a bar mitzvah. And remember, tell your friends it's vintage. It sounds more expensive that way. If looks could kill. While Patricia doesn't fuss much with cosmetics in her afterlife, she never leaves home without a smoky eye, or lip, or a few delicate touches. We'll use one product for it all, like so. Applied to the lower lid for a smoked-out effect, pressed on the lip for everlasting color, a dot on the cheek, fancy, and tears, happy, sad, or both. Oh, I'm dying for this look. And lastly, a simple prop in the form of a letter written by Patricia's long-lost love, that rugged, stable hand. You can clasp this letter throughout the night and show it to guests, asking them if they recognize the handwriting or the family seal. She was promised the estate, after all. Our look is complete. I feel Patricia's grief. Remember, your story is your canvas, and it's all bougie if you play the part. A conceptual costume? Now that's bougie.